Have you been wondering on how you can create a befitting thumbnails for all your YouTube videos in less than 10 minutes for free? That is no fees or payment is being required. It's your boy Mark from Random Talk and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're first time passing by, kindly subscribe, like and share for you will get notified each time I upload a new video. We all know the importance of thumbnails into today's YouTube video. Thumbnails is what actually calls a viewer or a person attention into your video without going into the content. Actually, if you have a well designed and preserved thumbnails, mindful of your subscriber, you actually have a greater opportunity to have more viewers. So on today's video, I will guide and show you how you can create a perfect thumbnail for all your YouTube video in less than 10 minutes. And the good thing about it is that this process is for free. There is no payment is being required. It's just your device, being an Android device or an iOS device. So guys, let's move into it. We just have to head onto the App Store or Play Store depending on the kind of devices you are using. As I earlier said, this app is available on both iOS and Android devices. So there are the App Store or Play Store. You just have to type in Adobe Photoshop Mix. Okay, here is our app Adobe Photoshop Mix. So you just have to click on to download, which usually takes about a minute or two depending on how fast your internet connection might be. Once your app has been downloaded, you just have to click on it once as seen on my device. Okay, so here you have to sign in with an existing account or you creating an account. So you have to click on sign in. They are signing. If you're a new user, you have to create an account here because the app desire an account. But if you're an old user, that is, if you already have an account with this app, you just have to sign email. Okay, here you need to input your email address and click on continues. At this menu, you have to create a password. For this app requires password for your own safety, and also it makes it more easier for you to use it on other devices. So first to create our password. So once done in creating your password, you have to click on continues. Okay, so I think we are done in setting up the app. So now is for us to create our perfect thumbnails to call in more viewers. Okay, after you must have clicked on done, you'll be able to see the images you selected for your thumbnails. So here you can see recent, that's recent image being added, and most recent. So you just have to click on recent. Okay guys, so I think here is now we have to put in the work and effort to create our perfect thumbnail. First thing you need to see here are the image size. That is it, you can see at the top side of it. So also on our app you will see the plus sign. So you have to click on it once, and once you click on it, you'll be opportunity to add in images. You can add in a text or you can add in a color. So okay, on our video we'll just have to add in a text. So what will be our text? Okay, I'm creating a thumbnail, so you have to click done. Okay, and once you click done, you will see the T sign which stands for format. You have to click on it once. Okay, once you click on it here, you can change the color of your writing. This is black, ash, blue, and other colors. So okay, we have to just choose in red. Okay, and also here you can give in a size on how big or small you want your image, your writing to look. And also if you scroll at this side, you'll see font, which is the design of your writing, like the shape. It gives it a better shape. So you see you have a lot of different shapes here. If you want it to be bold, you can choose it and run next. So this, so just have to choose in. Okay, this, so just have to put it at the top. So once you're done, you have to click on okay. Okay, here is still our sign. So if you need to add in some more information, you just have to click on it once. Okay, you see images At this point in time, you can choose in image who has a lot of images. Pick this. Okay. Also, once your image is too big, you'll be opportunity to minimize it, as to make it more smaller. Okay, as seen here, here's our image. So you just have to bring it close. And also, guys, if you see on our app, it has a lot of feature here. You can adjust a lot of things on it, and also looks that you can give it a look if you want it to be more brighter, like if you want it to be dark. And also cut, that is to adjust the size of your thumbnail. You can adjust it with this. Blend, that is to make it more bright or to make it more dark. And also shape reduction, that is to give your image a shape and to fill in. Also, you have few here that's to fill in some stuff and take away some stuff too. So guys, you see this app has a lot of features to do, and with this app you can create in a perfect thumbnail, and has a lot of other feature cards. If you wish to add in something, you can just click on the plus sign up. Here you can add an image, text, color, and a lot of other features too. Let's just add a text. YouTube, click done. So okay, as I said earlier, you can give in a different size and a different style. If you just wish to give in a style, here a lot of styles. And if you wish to give in a color, here a lot of like varieties of colors. So you just have to put in this and position your thumbnail in a way that it suits your viewer, because thumbnails are very important, because it is what really attracts a person into your video without its content, because more the attraction of your thumbnail is really causing more viewers. So once you're done in setting up your thumbnail, you just have to click, if you see the arrow up, you just have to click on it once. So once you click on it, you see you can upload to camera, to Behance, and live. So you just have to send it onto camera. Okay, so I think your thumbnail has been sent to camera, so you just have to go onto it, then upload it to your YouTube channel. So I wish you all the best as you try this on your own. Please, if you face any difficulties on doing this, please just drop it at the comment section while I see you soon.